Welcome. Finally, we are at the end of the subjective questions of this ended June 2023 WAEC Commerce question paper. This is the last one, 13B. So the x and y intercept of a straight line are given as -3 on 4 and 2 on 7 respectively. We have to find the equation of the line. We know that the equation of a line this is the equation of a line. It is always in this form, where m is our gradient, the c is a y-intercept. So even mentioning the word y-intercept, which is this, simply means that is the value we are having here. Then the x-intercept is where we make y 0. When y is 0, the values of x become the x-intercept. Also, we can also know that if I am taking the x-intercept, the x-intercept is that when we are making y 0, right? Before I can get the intercept on the x-axis, which is this. So -3 on 4 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. That is the intercept, the point of x-intercept. Then y-intercept will also have its point when x is 0. Then y become what? The constant. So 0 and what? 2 on 7. Then we are aware that if we are asked to find gradient, which is m, it is always y2 minus y1, x2 minus what? x1. It could also be y1 minus y2, x1 minus what? x2. Just that the orders will be the same. So in this case, if this is the first point, this is going to be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. So let's do our substitution. Putting gradient equals to 2 on 7, which is this, minus 0 divided by 0 minus x1, which is also -3 on what? 4, right? The top will remain the same, because if you subtract 0 from any number, it still remains 2 on 7. A negative will also cancel to give us 3 on what? 4. Seeing this a double division, this is going to flip up. As in, if I have a over b divided by c over d, this is taken as division. A over b divided by c over d. If you change this to multiplication, you flip the second fraction, d over c. So here I'll only take 4 to multiply what? 2. Then 3 multiply 7. As in the same case we are seeing here. So this is going to be 2 on 7 times 4 on what? 3. Changing the position of the 2. And that will give us our gradient to be equals to 8 over 21. Alright, so if we have that, and we also know our y-intercept, which is the c, putting into this the gradient and the y-intercept, which is the c. You know the y-intercept is the same as the c. Our equation is going to be y equals to m, which is 8 over 21x, plus c, which is going to be 2 on what? 7. That's the equation. Or we can still use the point slope in form, which is y minus y1 equals to m x minus what? x1. Where your y1, let's say I am taking this particular point, y1 is going to be 0, right? So I have y equals to m, which is 8 on 21 into bracket x Then I am now going to find x1. Where is the x1? Which is this. And that is going to be another negative 3 on what? 4. I believe that become a positive. So what happened? This become y equals to 8 on 21x. This will be plus. So this will multiply this to give us, I think that will be 24. This will also multiply this to give us, that will be 4 to 80. So we have 84. Good. So now let's see if we have any common factor for 24 and what? 84. So 24 divided by 84, that gives us what? 7 on 2 on 7. So y will be 8 over 21x plus 2 divided by what? 7. So you can see, you can also use this intercept form to generate the last equation as we have here. Or you can also use this equation, put this to become what? 2 on 7. That is when this is 0. Find the value of what? M from there. Then put this to 0. Find the value of x. Then you can put the two equations together to form the main equation of that straight line. Thank you so much for watching, being with me from question number 1 down to question number 13. I promise to start with the objective right after this episode. Share, like, and comment. Bye-bye.